It's time for another Sailing Pilar video. In this video, you will explore St. Martin with us, experiencing Grand Casse, Simpson Bay, and hanging out with some super yachts, and watch our progress on our sail bag repair. Our first beautiful anchorage in St. Martin was Grand Casse. Of course, there's beach, snorkeling, a stop at Busco Rum, pretty active nightlife with really good reggae, and plenty of great restaurants, as well as a parade. We are at Busco Rum in St. Martin in Grand Casse, and they have rum tasting. The rums here are all made here, and they are mixed with different fruit flavors. You having fun, Steven?
Yeah.
Good. So now we're going to try what? Mango passion?
Passion fruit and a mango passion fruit,
Yeah.
I think.
We're going to give it a shot.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Here we are.
All right. Here we go for our mango passion fruit tasting. It's good.
That's good. It's not too sweet. I don't like the sweet ones.
No, the guava berry is not sweet. So should we get a guava berry?
I liked it better.
Okay.
Yeah.
He likes wine, that's why.
Guava berry it is. Grown in St. Martin. The guava berries.
Yes.
And the rum.
Yes. So we are a local distillery. We make all of our rum punches. We have about 40 different flavors made of exotic fruits and spices from neighboring islands. All the bottles are hand painted by local artists. Behind we have homemade jams, Creole sauces, aged rum, spices. We also have paintings from local artists. We have magnets, shot glasses that are home painted, and a lot of souvenirs.
Strictly rubber dubber with the thread. Roots radical. When that's with sound, this is what we throw it down. Everybody control today, this is stepping. You are start to rust. Me and no one of them will see the king and not talk. Life is like a movie, it move me. But this a rebel, I know they be not the last part. Not a song. Them say them block it and me can't pass. Hey, not a song. Them say them block it and me can't pass.
Here we are in Simpson Bay. We are awaiting the bridge opening. Going inside the lagoon so that we can get our sail fixed. Sail bag, pulleys, everything related to the sail bag. the brand new sail bag. Never ends. But in the meantime, we have these lovely boats. Oh, and an airplane. Non-stop action. That thing is like a tank, man. We are headed through the bridge. Well, we are getting our sail repaired, and hopefully it won't take very long. But there she is. Laid out on the dock. It's just a batten box that I'm not sure why, but it lost its cover, and then it wasn't staying adhered or fixed or whatever to the mast in the way that it should to the car on the mast track. So yep, we gotta get it taken care of. They could have fixed that part on the boat. However, there are a few other things that need to be done. So some fraying that's occurred on the sun cover and stuff like that, which is kind of early for that stuff to be happening. So we're hoping that they can replace the sun cover and get it top notch again for us, because it's not that old. So they should be able to do that. And here's what our mast looks like without any sail or sail bag. Pretty barren. Whew. Here comes our raft. So we are having some work done on our boat. We are having it detailed. We are having new caulk put in. We are having it waxed. We are having some gel coat areas fixed, and they need something to stand on and do it. So there it is. First step is removing the old caulk. This caulk is probably 10 years old, so it's time to put some new in.
Yeah. All right.
We're getting some new caulk put in everywhere on the boat, actually. Rub rails, deck caulking, all new stuff. Where are we going, Stephen?
Fort Lewis. Don't know much about it.
Up the steps.
I could see it from the bay. It's French. We're French now, right?
Don't tell anybody.
We're on the French side though, right?
Yeah.
French on the right, Dutch on the left.
Something happened when you walked out through my door. Can't imagine what my life was like before. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a dreamer, but never dreamed a thing like this. What a feeling, flying through the universe. Oh, 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 oh. Living the best day of my life. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. The best day of my life. Best day of my life.
The boatwork continues next time, and you'll see a lot more St. Martin. Make sure you subscribe to get notified when that video comes out.